Hey guys, Caleb with Minnesota Dock and Lift here, and today we are going to be showing you how to install high-flow screw jacks into your DAKA Low Pro dock sections. Alrighty, so for the tools you're going to need, you're going to have an impact with a 3/4 socket and a side cutters and needle nose pliers. So for this example in today's video, we're going to be using 4 wheels, 4 high-flow screw jacks in an 8-foot low pro section. Alright, so for the first step, you're going to take one of your high-flow legs. We're going to have our section upside down on the ground. You take your leg, set it right into the pocket. You're going to want to make sure that your axle is pointing out. After that, we're going to take our hardware bag that comes with your high-flow screw jack kit. We're going to cut that open so we can mount it inside. Alrighty, so after you have your first leg in, we're going to take our second one, we're going to go to the other corner, and we're going to put this in the same way. Again, make sure the axle is facing out. And now we're ready to lift our section and to secure these legs in. Alrighty, for the next step guys, this is where your impact with a 3/4 socket is going to come in handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the dock section, and your screw jack legs are going to fall down into place. As you can see over here, there's a tab. You want to bring the section all the way up to this tab. Once you hit that tab on both sides, you're going to take your impact with your 3/4, and we're going to tighten those legs into place. Alrighty, so after you guys have your legs secured in, we're going to take one of our cotter pins that comes in our kit. We're going to put it through on the back side of this stub axle. After that, you're going to take one of your washers, put that right in there. After that, you're going to take your wheel, make sure the nipple is facing in. Slide your wheel on. We're going to take one more 2-inch washer, put that over the end, and again secure that in with a cotter pin. So once again, you're going to come over to the other side and do the exact same thing. You're going to take one of your cotter pins, put it through this hole in the back side of your axle, 2-inch washer, wheel, last 2-inch washer, and secure that last piece in with your cotter pin. Alright, so after we have the wheels all secured, we're ready to flip the section over. Alright, so after we flip the section over, this is what your finished product is going to look like when you have your high-flow screw jacks in. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment in the section below. And if you want to see products like this, you can visit our website at www.minnesotadockandlift.com. Thanks for watching, guys.